Why would I wear this hoodie? And it is so wrinkled. We're gonna go with it today, baby. We're gonna go with it today. My name is Krystal, y'all. If you are new here, child, it's just me. You're gonna have to deal with it. Go ahead and exit out if you finna get mad, because the whole video is gonna be like this, okay? If you are coming back, you know I love you. I'm so glad to see you again. Here we are talking about digital products today, yes, and how you can sell them to, listen, make some extra money, make full-time money, start a new business, whatever it is that you are looking to do. These will hopefully help you do that, right? Because this is the time for digital products. People are tired of shipping products out. They tired of USPS. They just tired. We all just tired. I feel like 2020 just been lasting forever, Lord Jesus. So listen, if you are trying to sell digital products, if you are trying to just do something new, this video is for you. But please make sure you are subscribed. Don't just be coming here getting this good info, not subscribing, not speaking. That's rude, right? That's like you walking in my house and you don't even say nothing. Just say something. Say hey. I'm gonna talk back. Say hey, subscribe, all of that. We're gonna have a great time. And if you are here, it's because you're supposed to be here. And I want you to know that you are beautiful, amazing, loved, and just all that you think you are. You are that girl. You are that girl. You are that guy. I'm trying to say girl and guy at the same time, but that's you. All of that. All right. So if you want to see how to create digital products, stay tuned. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to show you some of my digital products that we have available at girlpluswealth.com. Sponsor my own video, child. Yes. Stop what you're doing right now and go to girlpluswealth.com. Become a member, and then you will actually get a whole template and all of the things to learn how to do this with me and my business partner, who is a top accountant. Clearly I'm not prepared. So right now, like I said, obviously I own another business where it is a physical product business, right? This business is ran through Shopify. If you are looking to start an e-commerce business, they are still thriving. They are still doing well, even though it seems like everything is going like this. People are still buying stuff, right? Obviously, Amazon is still working. So this is still a great idea if you are looking to start a hands-off type of t-shirt business. We have the info for that as well. But for a lot of people and a lot of business owners, child, we is tired, okay? We done been ran through the mud. And so a lot of people have had to pivot or wanted to pivot because just wanted another way to bring in revenue, which you can make it once, which is the beauty of a digital product. You can make it once and you can sell it over and over and over and over again, right? And there are very easy ways to do this. Even some ways I didn't even know. I've been making digital products now since like 2016. I have a t-shirt ebook. I have all kind of stuff that I was making from scratch. Okay, I'm talking about I'm in there like 1, 2, 3, 4 from scratch. Had no idea about the real game. So now that I know the game, you know I'm gonna give y'all the game, and that is that there are marketplaces out here. There is Canva. There are all type of resources out here where things are already created. Templates are there, and all you got to do is plug and play and put your stuff in. Or you can hire somebody on a platform like Fiverr. Once again, ain't nobody sponsoring this video. I'm sponsoring this video. So go to girlpluswealth.com. But you can do all of these things and start your digital product business immediately. Let me stop you right here. Yes, you, because I know you're probably thinking, dang, I really want to do this, but ain't nobody gonna buy it. I really want to do this, but what they gonna say about me selling these products? I really want to do this, but like, I'm never gonna post on social media. You're probably thinking some of those things. If not now, you probably already have. Stop it. All right. We don't have time for that right now. Okay. The way of the world right now, the way of society, we all need a little extra money. Even if you don't want to do this full time, even if you don't want to quit your job, we all could use a little extra boost. And if you could create something from the gifts you already have, the things you already know, that you know, that may be easy for you, that somebody else needs. So this is not even about you. And that's what I have to tell people all the time, either in our membership or either clients that I work with. It's not about you, right? We so selfishly walk around with our gifts and be like, oh no, I'm not gonna do that. Because what are people gonna say? When there are people that need you to do it. Like, there are people waiting on what you have to offer so that they can be healed. And that's the problem when we're disobedient and don't do what we're called to do, right? I didn't start preaching in here today, and that was not my intention. So anyway, let me get back to it, because I just started going off. So if it was for you, it was for you. So this is one of my favorite digital resources, and it is our finance planner. It literally has everything in here, from financial goals, budgeting tips, investments, debt trackers, savings, all of the things. I bought this to license it, and it is, again, one of my favorite resources. Okay, I always go in and update my stuff just because I have certain ways that I want my digital products to look like. So that is the finance planner, again, one of my favorites. We also have a wellness journal, because I believe, and my whole business is about building wealth from knowing yourself, right? And so this wellness journal is the best. I hope y'all can see this. All I see is a ring light, child. Is that my head? No, that's my plant. It says, believe in yourself. There are confidence affirmations, self-love affirmations, self-reflection prompts, just things for you to really like get deep down into all the good stuff. We have all kind of amazing resources. We have a self and wealth like side hustle kit to help you literally come up with a name for your business. There are like drop shippers in there, different resources. And of course we have our membership, which let me tell y'all something about this membership, because you actually get templates so that you can start your own business right away, and you can do it with me and my business partner Leah. And what I love about that is that people who I've worked with before, I love watching their journey. And so that's why it was important for me to, it was important for me to do this and create a space for you to create digital products with me, because I wanted to already hand you the templates, right? So that is one way. Another way is what we said in the beginning. You can go on to Canva, you can find different things that you like and you can sell them that way. Or you can also go to Fiverr and you can pay somebody to make them. Or you can make them on your own. Places like Amazon, different resources also allow for you to sell there. Etsy is a great resource to sell digital products, maybe calendars, maybe journals. I use this all the time. This is my daily journal, right? I got my journal from Etsy. So Etsy is a great place to sell digital resources. It's a great place to sell things like planners, and what else do I get from Etsy? Stickers, just all the things that you're like, nobody will buy this. They buying it. They are buying it. And they're doing it on Etsy. You could go to Fiverr and literally type in Etsy, and they will have people who just create digital things for Etsy. So I say all that to say, start your stuff today. Quit putting it off. Just start. It's so many templates on Canva, so many things. Just make sure that it represents you. Go look for inspiration other places. Go look for things that you like and put in what you feel like is missing. Like, put in what you feel like this would make it perfect. And then bet on yourself and post it. And then if you want to do this with myself and my amazing business partner to help you build wealth and transform your life, then come and join us at Girl Plus Wealth. Grab this self and wealth kit if you are looking to start your business today, child, because it is there and it's amazing. I built this one I'm talking about, baby, I built it from the ground up. It is It's good. And we also have a freebie if you are looking to change your money mindset. So go to Girl Plus Wealth and check us out. I love you. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure you subscribe. Again, don't make me mad. Don't make me. If you didn't watch this whole video and you still ain't subscribed, you know you ain't right. I still love you though. And I will see you guys in my next video.